Welcome to our channel. Today we're exploring the fascinating world of AI text generators. These powerful tools are changing the way we write and communicate. Let's dive into how they work and what makes them so revolutionary. A text generator is an AI-powered tool that creates written content from given prompts. Using advanced algorithms, it can generate anything from simple sentences to complex articles, mimicking human writing styles. These generators are used in chatbots, content creation, and more. Text generators rely on machine learning models, particularly neural networks. These models are trained on vast amounts of text data, learning patterns, and language structures. When given a prompt, the AI uses this knowledge to predict and generate coherent text. Training a text generator involves feeding it large data sets from books, websites, and other text sources. The AI analyzes this data to understand grammar, context, and style. Over time, it becomes proficient in generating text that closely resembles human writing. Text generators have a wide range of applications. They can assist writers by providing suggestions, generate automated news articles, and even help with creative writing. Businesses use them for content marketing, while developers integrate them into chatbots for more natural conversations. While text generators offer many benefits, such as increased efficiency and creativity, they also come with challenges. Ethical concerns include bias in generated content and the potential for misuse. Additionally, AI models can sometimes produce incorrect or nonsensical text. The future of AI text generation looks promising. As models become more advanced, we can expect even more accurate and creative text generation. Innovations like GPT-4 are pushing the boundaries, opening up new possibilities for AI in writing and communication. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful and want to learn more about AI and technology, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more exciting content on the future of AI.